Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinio scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandaj puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio prano lani khandai pran rio laisan an riway khandai pran. Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpanyutarek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Balne Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Katwe Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol How number 90890-97907.
I remember your face. But
RS Marbanya, yes, remember my face.
Yeah. What's the name? RS?
RS Marbanya.
Hi.
This is Assistant Professional. And this is Ramadan, the Assistant Secretary, this is Municipal.
Hi, sir. Hello.
So we will...
U Secretary Katanat Kampoyeng ka Sarkar Jilla uba Cyril V Dengdo rengkat ka Jingsen Ranlang jong u Commissioner and Secretary jong katanat penroy sor u Dr. Vijay Kumar haga khat pratarik u Jemang Arajar Arpulai kila her jurip ya katto ka ni gibenta jong ka road wa Umkhrah ha gibenta jong ka Shnong wa Ingdo but ha Reserve Police khnang ban yo I ya ka jing I site met jong ka wa Umkhrah. Hagani ka jing jurip la sanran lang da Chief Executive Officer jong ka Shillong Municipal Board, lembat gi officer na ka Pollution Control Board, u in charge jong ka Reserve Police, but kontupru ya ki nongkit kam jong ka Dorbar Shnong Waing do, hapo ka jing alam jong rangba Shnong uba Ronjit Marbanyang. Hagajing keren bat kabati CTV uba Ronjit Marbanyang ulayatu bakat kum ki sakhi sabut ki babiang ki Jaboh jaban ki bala tu chawa Umkhrah ki dei ki bala bread dagi breu na police bazaar na sweeper lane na Motphran na Reserve Police hagi na larit ki batoj arsut syagawa duit lembag Shnong Sosun bat wa ingdo tat haduk bandapoi hawa Umkhrah. Shushu ulayatu bahagani ke jingjurip layathir sani baka sarkar lembaga tanat penroy sor jong ke sarkar jela kan shim ya ki senjam ban yada ya ke jingbentuk Jaboh syakawa Umkhrah.
So we want to increase the width of the road. So
That land belongs to whom? That is
Health Department.
Enhance.
Health Department and the Forest Department. There's no private land side.
Right.
So what I have suggest from our side, because this volume of traffic is such that this is going to Maulai, to Deyao, to DS Road.
Correct.
So we want to increase the width of the road. So
That land belongs to whom? That is
Health Department.
Enhance.
Health Department and the Forest Department. There's no private land side.
Right.
So we want to, we have the Chief Engineer has visited one along with the Assistant Engineer, other civil engineer. But after that, including the MLA, the President MLA, but after they have come, they just increased the width of the road to 2.5 feet.
Okay. I think they have a very interesting idea to make path kind of a thing. See, we are also planning in smart city. Yes. So let them make. It's better if the community can do something also. It will be better. So they'll maintain, they'll take care of it. So we have a locality beautification under tourism. So we will provide the funds, no problem. But I think technical help, urban should give because we have engineers. Is it not? So let's do that. So they are taking Muda approval.
Previously it's under municipal. this one also we have to come outside. Otherwise they are throwing the rubbish.
Ndan sokpet. No sokpet.
So let us have a system. Please coordinate with assembly and whatever is most convenient. But let us have a system where all waste is properly dumped. We will take it. The next step is segregation, but at least let them dump in one place so that you collect from the municipality, so that they are not dumping here. This is number one. Number two, I think this audit maybe with the pollution control board and with SMB. Let us create and Muda. Let us create some team of people. First, you can audit of the building, audit of septic tanks. Everything you can conduct so that we know where we stand. And third is this police housing idea, so which we anyways system.
Some of these old Asante.
Yeah, so then we can use this space for the long term. And for you, immediate what I see is that STP that we are making there, so that we will kind of, Bakain will figure out a way in which we build a retaining wall so that the flooding issue can be addressed. And second, from the tourism, from the locality beautification, we can get you some this thing so that you can start thinking of how to make a park.
So I would like to be very free.
Right.
Talking about the school, about that open air gym, which I would like
Right.
to, so it will not be a waste.
Fine.
I can get some suggestion.
No, this open air gym is coming up where?
That's place near the school.
Near the
That
school.
place is near, we have showed you.
Okay. Oh, open air gym you want to make by the riverside?
Yes. But actually they have all the estimate also. But I want to discuss with you
Okay.
if it is possible before they
Yeah.
do the things.
Oh, it's already there.
Yes,
It is tendered
it's already-
by
yes.
sports department or by urban department? Because both are doing.
By urban.
It is under your urban.
Urban.
Okay. So you want to have a discussion so that it becomes fine. Here, to thankfully, because it's government and you have sufficient land won't be a problem. So let us first do this audit properly. Okay.
Audit, and that audit can say where is feasible.
Correct.
Then you'll come and see
Drone survey, to we'll do it this week.
where it
only.
is feasible to make a stick.
Because we have a state drone lab and stuff. We'll send them. Just give permission. They'll call you only directly. Just give permission. They'll just do. And the map is available with you guys, with us, with everyone. So that when we think of it becomes a.
My request, if you engage any people, they must be professionals.
Yes.
That is what I have seen on that day, the drone presentation. It's not of the expectation. Nas ngau ban ai ngon kong yo ble. Boleh lam ki ngi kum ka dor wasnong. Ya ki jing bangin kren ha ke meeting. Ki ba fair. Handai kani ka ba long menta ka sngi ka jing kendo. Ka long ka jing sim khia jong. Ka government ya ka sarkar leng ba Chief Secretary berkhot ya ka meeting ha bana April khat Sautrik. Na banta ban rejuvenate ya ka Umkhrah ka Umshirpi barka Umkhen mo. Ban pen imbyang gini kiwa. Te ka sarkar ha ka perkhat ya ni ngasno ba ka gile ya ka bade. Bar khat Sautrik ilai ka meeting but Ladan lengkat buat Chief Minister Baramri Konrad Kongkal Sangma, untuk Deputy Chief Minister jengi, Pak Sengobalang Dahar, buat Minister, Pak AL Hek, dari dan lengkat, buat ki officer Rangba juga State Government dari dan lang hantu ki bangam lawan je perteng. Tiap ki jengi keren, layak keren sibun ki kei, buat ngalior kalat dengan keren, buat kajing keren kalau ngak keren jadi kawa Umkhrah. Kawa Jaboh nakaliang kador wasong wa indo. Tinggal itu iki hawa indo kumakalong menta kamban siyo kano no kajing bread pathari kinyut spawa. Maka jing trelang barkibor jika municipal. Kumno ban bread ya kinyut nilayo ke support ke babiang bahan naka silo municipal board lengba ki CEO naka por ki badon hak ke syuki bagi syong. Natai bak khai kum active engineer, tai bak forward lalu kum assistant engineer. Kinai terilang rengkat bak ki supervisor, ki assistant manager, bak ki wei bak ki bak penko ya kasong kathau ko jengi. Handai kai ka ba I peni chief secretary lembaga PowerPoint presentation bak ki ring do lembaga drone. Kila peni ya kini ka jing Jaboh ya kini ka Umkhrah. Bak ya kini ka bawan ke penjebok lomba kan ka baki ong ko sun stream ke suan join ka kalalong wa indo stream ka saya toy pat sana ka wa Umkhrah ka balo is sangsot hadu ka haban kit ya ke jebok ke jaban ya hi aka ki jing pen jular ya ka mariang ka haban kit ka wa Umkhrah nasi perkhat berbual ada kamban ka wa Umkhrah badam-dam ni ki wa kan long kumno kan ka silong jungi rengi kun menreu ngi alek palat ngi kenok tangi ka sarkar hendai mangi ki pajba ngim sim ya ka jingket kle banle ya ka badai hendai ka sarkar ka le ka jong bar hatu si ka meeting la bon ba ki bedan hang tu ki rang ba ki boper ki rang ba snong bat le flu jumut bat hakata bentang la yo lat ban keren jarang khat ngalayo ban pen kre ya pen drive namta ki jingjia ha ka khat praterik bang yo ban ke ja khat nyu torik min met obanai march nang ta khat sau torik nang ta de ho november khat Khyndailad ka baja ka jing pen jebok ka wan tu na reserve police nang ta ki bawan nang ni na ka so sun ka badai ka pen jebok ngala kedo ha tu singi ha ka meeting ka dei ka jebok ka bawan ka dei na plus baja Khyndailad bro arliang na ta ka wan na kambio molong super line na ta na Motphran kitu kinala kiwan penlong ya kanika so sun stream wa indo stream ka sapoi pat sa Umkhrah hakini gisingi ba slap untuk ayo bandring ki jan lengkot ki jan ki balong imat ki bangkop stock na plus bajar ki mattresses king size bar hoi ki jan kon kai mat ba ki don gitu ha plus bajar si sepo ki bon ki dukan su jan ki bread lut hapor berslap ki bread hatu kapor berslap te kajing syak keno pat syak keno ini ki dong so sun waindo resem thia jayau syak keno bagi hab mbe jang syak keno ngi haban kit ya ka jebo ngi haban smai tu ka jebo te hakini ki sngi haka khat santrik layo bandring ru ki pulit ki lawan artli ki sniang ki to thene te mano bori sniang station ngimtip tamamde hawaindo mde da se so sun nang ta da iwei khulung bagi pulit lawan ban simti kila berat lawan tu sini porbawan kaya slap tu hang teh kendok lawan pulit la ra no itu tu te kita ki ba ki berat man baslap bat menin kasi baslap pilai imtan pilai ring pilai itu ki jalan kot mangkai na trai pilai ring pilai begini ki berkhoi ngis kentu ya ke sarkar bat menta ke sengi hang ta ke sengi te hadian bala peni bangalak keren te ngaso ban papa baju songo yo chief minister bola simkhia ban pha ya ki officer rangba habari dan lang Dr. Vijay Kumar commissioner secretary jong ka urban affairs nang ta iba Cyril Lengdo secretary jong ka home department ringkat nang ka pollution control member secretary chairman nang ta ba nang san kriem beri in charge of kanika reserve police nang ki head police naka municipal board nando CEO engineer assistant engineer junior engineer ki manager ki assistant manager berkhoi ki don lang mat ki wei ni ki department ki bofer te kalong ke basotenat ba hadin ke jingkan hatu sngi ka sarkar kala simkhia mat ngilai flu jumut mentan ru layo bandring ketu mentan sibur ke bangila kedo bat katkum ka jingya keren kalong ba kin sa fa ya ka audit na kalian ka bakin pe ya gini ki building hang ni barkhoi nang ta kin sawan ru syakisnong ki thau lomba ka pollution control board dekat bat ka urban affairs ki nepok muda makinon pe laki nong syong ki trayeng ki don em ka septic tank ka bobiang tila dia kumia kinong song jong kawaindo nga kentu ki trayeng makin pej bah margidon ki trayeng ki ba da si kiyo pateng na ki kemi pa jong ki tikim tip kalong kaman kumno tikhnang ban like na ka jing e kin so bah ba kin check ya ki soptik tang ki jong ki kin so bah ba kin pej benia bah ya ki nala makin num to marpo committee ngala keren sai bar ngala peniru ba hawaindo hi ka direct discharge kamban shows ka Umkhrah ila sna ki pai ba te wala kataru manakani ki sngi bagi sna ka smart city kani ka sewage kani ne ngilap bagi don ki yeng Kiba ayu mar propli mar kito ki trayeng kim tip mar kila yok pateng te mar senap mar sekedo kila sinano wurwut te ngapen pa baju songu yo ki trayeng ru kila le ka wadai benne te kumjo ru ina yakren kumno bangin bo ya ka CCTV kumno ban wanra ya mini park hangi harut wa ba ka ba na tourism department wadai Dr. Vijay Kumar beri pay ru ka tourism ura kubur bat unsa pha ban ya jurip biang sa sisen ki kumju ru ya ki Jaboh jabanya ki jenglong jengman jong kini ki kenro ki baklem plastar ki nyut ki mi man nakapor na kaliang ki department of fair ki wan pun khoj ten re ka jene khoj ki pun khoj siwai ka jene kot kani ka yut kalami biang tinggal keren tu bakin kumnu no bakin le plastering no ini ki kenro te kede ke burom nam ta kasinong haba ki officer rangba bat ka sarkar kilawan ban pej dalam jong khidmat bat kilai bat kajian keren kalau kin saya kendo biang kin dang follow up kin siang ke meeting bat kin sa sim ya ka rai ka ban kila kat bala kat bakila ban penbah nakapor sakapor maka dan kam ka phone ka bahe bahang ni por reserve police kemjurung ila kedau ya ni ka project jong ka smart city project basnai ni kinala bat kan ki ATP affluent treatment plan ka badan ni rodwa dikatur kila pej ina ya keren ke jingma ka bala bandon te ha to ada pedo bakin salek ya kata ban yada na kata jingma te tai di bang pen pau ka jing songo biang sai sin ya ka sarkar bakala sim kia ban le ikani bakala ban burom ya dor basinong abangi ot nginam sa sarkar te ngai scam ba ke borok ki ba kin biang bat ya keren marhamat ru bat Dr. Vijay Kumar bat ulong ru bangin le ngin le kat ka bangin dang la ban le ngin dang ya pen biang pen bahai kani te kan simpor kat tu kan kamni ka kam batang si minit tikin yai le bat nakaliang kala jimut ru ya ki reserve police ba ka sarkar kan pen biang da kanu nakalat kelenti bakin yok ban bread ya ki nyut haka ka biang te kan turu ki bor penya jong ka reserve police wi don lang DSP ni makin yarap man persutro ya kini gi nok song ni bakin num thang nyut mangidon ke school ni arteli teng karung ka tedem teatu ski balong meeting baru chief minister badon ru na keren pang kani ka jing siang rong ya ki surok mo ngi hak ki haban pom ya ki ding da ki pau trok hak por ba ki pen bahai ki surok keleng ka state jungi te na ta daw ajimut ba ki di ban le ya da ki wei pat ki teknologi badan menta ban lai ni ka pom ding ban lai ya ka tedem bakandung seki yang kisem jong ki nok song sinong bakak ta pat ya ka koi ka khia